Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's King Sam and today we'll be learning this awesome cloning effect.
Stop talking and start the video.
Okay.
To make the cloning effect is really easy and really simple. All you just need to do is first get a tripod, then get something you can shoot on. It can be a phone, it can be an actual digital camera. So all you just need to do is take two shots. One shot when you're playing one role and that shot when you're playing the second role. Now note, your light placement is going to be the same for the first shot and the second shot. So I'll advise that you don't change your light setup between the two shots. Now, you open up After Effects,
You create a new composition that is 1920 by 1080 and press OK.
Now after creating a new composition, all you just need to do now is place your two videos on top each other, then select the first video, create a layer mask on that video.
You create a layer mask by going to your pen tool and drawing out the portion of the video you want to remove.
So here's a little time lapse.
After you have made your layer mask, then you move down to your mask settings, open it up, then click on invert. Now your two videos are laid on top each other simultaneously.
Now you go to your layer mask settings, you feather the edge so that it can blend a little bit better. And now that you have feathered the edge, all you just need to do is play it back. So you match up your voice and your videos together so that you can give it the effect of it flowing together.
If you feel like the colors of the two videos are not still matching together well, you can go to effect and presets, type in curves, apply the curves on the first video. Now you adjust the colors so that it can match the color of the video under. So I adjust the colors. I think I like this, and we are done.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's King Sam and today we'll be learning this awesome cloning effect.
Stop talking and start the video.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's really easy, it's not so difficult. All you just need to do is practice and you become better at it. I'll be dropping more tutorials, so like, share to your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.